Theodosia what to say to you. You have my eyes, you have your mother's name. When you came into the world you cried, and it broke my heart.
Si mama po, siya po yung mapagmamahal na ina. Napaglalapitan ko po pag may problema ako. Yung pagiging nanay niya po sa akin is wala pong katumbas yun na halaga. Tsaka lagi po siyang nakagabay sa akin sa mga desisyon ko sa buhay.
Of age with our young nation, we'll bleed and fight for you. We'll make it right for you. If we lay a strong enough foundation, we'll pass it on to you. We'll give the world to you and you'll blow us all away. Someday, someday, yeah, you'll blow us all away. Someday, someday.
We celebrate not just the passing of time, but the rich tapestry of experiences and achievements that have defined Tita Tess' remarkable journey already past 6 decades. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a very special moment. Miss Tess Aida!
Mama po, madedescribe ko siya sa pagiging the way she treat us as a person na kailangan dapat strong kami, dapat determinado kami, at dapat alam namin kung anong gusto namin.
Okay naman po kami ni Lola, especially pag magkasama po kami. We enjoy naman po together and masaya ko po siyang nakakasama. Ayos naman po kami, nag-uusap lang ganun, nag-enjoy, picture together ganun, and kumakain sa labas. Ang message ko lang po is, happy birthday Lola, and I hope you enjoy your day po today and sa mga susunod pa po na araw. Always keep safe and take care po. Ayun, happy birthday Lola, I love you!
Dakilang ina namin yan. Maraming salamat at pinalaki niya kami ng may takot sa Diyos at napakabait na ina niya, mama. Simpleng tao lang ang mother namin, kaya proud na proud kami sa mama namin na ganyan lang siya. Mother, mahal na mahal kita, Diyos ko. Alam mo yan, sana ngayong kaarawan mo, enjoy natin ang gabing ito na magkakasama tayong lahat. At no limits ma, kailangan gusto ko mag-enjoy ka.
Happy birthday, ma. Alam mo, mahal na mahal ka namin. And kahit anong bagay pa ang ibigay sa amin ng mundo, ang makasama ka namin is napaka-importante bagay sa amin. Thank you for teaching us to grow to be a man that we are right now. Wala kang masasabi kundi mahal na mahal kita forever. Love you!
Ako